mobility is in constant change. People and societies evolve, and so does the way they move. New technologies have one underlying objective: making people's lives easier and their journeys enjoyable and efficient. As the challenges of urban transport continue to grow, mobility companies are searching for new solutions. And now, they have started looking to the sky for the answer. Goodyear's work on advanced tire architectures and materials led us to imagine a two-in-one concept tire designed for the autonomous, flying cars of the future. The Goodyear Aero uses a non-pneumatic structure that is flexible enough to drive on the road. And is strong enough to let vehicles fly. This multimodal wheel would be an integral part of a new urban aerial mobility ecosystem. The Goodyear Aero would allow future commuters to move seamlessly from the road to the sky.
Doors closed. Ready to fly.
For over 120 years, Goodyear has partnered with pioneers, driving change and discovery. By redefining performance, we have left a mark on our industry and on people's driving experience. As part of the new mobility ecosystem, we will continue moving generations forward to do more, achieve more, and discover the world.